What's up, YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja putting in that work. Today is the 31st of January. It's the final day of January. Dude, trust me, the year is practically done. January is over. And we're going to go through this fairly quickly. It is 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, putting in that work. And if you appreciate the work, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like the video. Share this lead with people you know who are interested in science and who want to work as a tutor. Right? You can comment. But most importantly, hit that subscribe button and let's get active so that you can make money online. That's what this channel is about. We focus on making money online for you and for yours. Right? There are many people who say that money isn't important and all these things. Well, when a lot of people were losing their jobs at the start of the pandemic, I'm pretty sure money was important then, right? So don't let people trick you into thinking money isn't important. It is. It's very important. And I'm not preaching to anyone, and this is not financial advice or anything, but money could be the difference between life and death. Having a roof over your head or being out on the streets. So let no one trick you into thinking money is not important. Get your money, have yourself and your family safe, and worry about everything else after. All right? So this lead is an entry-level lead. It's freelance, so it's not a permanent position, and you'll be working internationally, meaning you can work from various countries around the world. You'll be working for a company called study.com, and if you press this link right here, it will take you to that website. Study.com is one of the leading companies online that help people with their schoolwork. Okay. Last week, I featured one for accounting, I believe, and this one is the science version of that lead. Okay. So, multiple countries, you're a contract worker, not permanent, and you will be in the science field, specifically a science writer. So the full title, Online Lesson Writer for Science. Now, study.com is dedicated to making education easily accessible and highly valuable. Our science lessons or science lesson writers develop rich, quality lessons for students from middle school to college level. We're looking for instructors, course developers, and educational copywriters to contribute to our library of engaging online lessons in science subjects, including biology, chemistry, physics, environmental or earth science, and astronomy. Okay, so biology, chemistry, physics, environmental or earth science, and astronomy. Next thing, project description. So the details of the task at hand. You are given a lesson outline with optimized section headings and content prompts. You'll create an engaging written lesson between 1,000 to 2,000 words, as well as a descriptive title for the lesson. Each lesson will culminate in a brief summary to emphasize key concepts and prepare students for a short quiz. You'll also write short, targeted answers for 2 to 6 pre-selected FAQs related to your lesson. Okay? You can choose what you want to work on from a pool of lesson outlines covering a variety of science topics, including, again, biology, chemistry, and physics. You will perform research to support the information in your lesson. So you're not going to just pull ideas out of your head or out of your butt. You need to back that up with factual data. Okay? All right, let's go. And this factual data needs to come from credible sources. All right, so the requirements. You should have a bachelor's degree or equivalent experience. This is one of those leads where you need a degree. You have to show that you're competent in science. You have to show that you know your stuff. And in the science field, engineering field, medical fields like those, you need to have a degree. Right? Excuse me. Okay? So some jobs, the nature is just one where you need to have a degree. This is one of those. That's how life is. Excuse me. All right, moving on. You have expert knowledge of science concepts. You have very strong writing skills. You can clearly write online educational content. You're committed to providing high quality, accurate information. You have a working knowledge of online research methods. You have excellent communication skills and are responsive and collaborative. Now, preferred qualifications. You have developed online academic course or lesson content, meaning if you're someone who has experience creating academic content, specifically online based stuff, maybe you've used Teachable, um, maybe you've put stuff together for Skillshare. You created a course for Skillshare. Maybe you've put one together for Udemy. Stuff like that. Um, Next, if you have 1 to 3 years teaching experience at the middle school, high school, and or college level, and or an advanced degree, so like a master's or PhD, that would be awesome for them. You notice how they have those in bold, or yeah. So that would be ideal. If you have experience with HTML, wiki code, latex, and imaging software, that would be great. Now, what they offer in return: reliable payments. You get timely, reliable payments twice a month, so every 2 weeks, via PayPal. All work is paid per piece. Per piece rates vary based on complexity and length of content. And that's one of the reasons it's freelance and it's contract. Okay? So you're paid per piece. So you basically decide how much work you want to do, which ultimately decides how much you want to be paid. Because each piece is not the same, and each piece, based on the complexity and the length, as they said, fetches a different price. So you can literally pick which projects you want to work on and be paid accordingly. Again, you get paid every 2 weeks via PayPal. Cool? Cool. Now, independence. No waiting, no assignments, and a massive library of lessons for you to choose from. You will have flexibility. You can work from anywhere at any time, completely online, and very supportive staff. You get access to a supportive in-house team to answer your questions. Now, the contract process is as follows. Complete the application and submit with your resume. Okay? So, at the bottom of this page, the bottom of this lead, there's a button that says apply. Okay? Press that. Complete the application, submit your resume. If your application is approved, we'll email you a link to a contract, and your second step is to read it over and sign it. Right? And of course, send it back to them. Sign it and send it back to them. The following week, you'll receive emails with access information and project documentation. Your third step is to follow the instructions to set up your accounts and get started on your project. Now, at this point in time, I'm going to pause and tell you, if anybody asks for any payment information other than information to get you paid, forget it. Nobody should be asking you for credit card information. Nobody should be asking you for bank account information. Or, because again, they pay through PayPal. Right? Nobody should be asking you for personal information or personal financial information or anything like that. For payments, you should be sending them your PayPal email address or similar information to get paid. You should not be no one should be soliciting money from you in order for you to get any leads, any jobs, or anything like that. And where this lead is concerned, respond only to authorized emails from study.com. Okay, I hope I've made that clear. There are scammers out there, tons of scammers out there. Okay, don't be tricked. Cool. Now you can view a step-by-step overview of the contract process here. They forgot to put the link, but there should have been a link there. How to become a freelancer with study.com. Now, the mission of study.com is to make education accessible, and over the last 2 decades, we've become the leading online education platform, delivering a personalized learning experience across a broad continuum of education for over 30 million students, instructors, and professionals every month. We help empower millions of learners to achieve their education and career goals. We focus on increasing access to education because we know information is the ultimate equalizer and that education is key to upward mobility. Come right for the company that was ranked 10th on Virtual Vocations' top 25 list of best partners for remote work in 2021. So of the best companies to work for in 2021 remotely, Study.com was ranked number 10. Now, here's what past contractors had to say about working with us. Jenny says the flexibility makes it a win, regardless of your schedule. Christian says being a writer for Study.com has been a very positive experience for me and has helped me become a better writer and researcher. And you will be doing work that matters too. Now, feel free to share this opportunity with any friends you think would be interested too, and I will add my 2 cents to that. Share. Whether you want to share the link or the video, this video, just hit that forward arrow, copy link, or select whatever app you want to share through, whether it's WhatsApp or email or Instagram, whatever, Messenger. Share and then subscribe, like the video, comment on the video, let me know where you're watching from, and let me know if any of my leads has helped you in any way. So guys, thanks for listening to the end. Additionally, I'm going to invite you to check the links in the description below. Even if you get a lead or even if you land a job like this, which is great, it's good to have multiple sources of income. If you're interested in any other ways of making money online, click the links in the description below. They're free. Check them out. Read the information. Watch the free videos. Make a decision for yourself. Make an informed decision for yourself. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Stay safe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.